Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm doing another ride and review today. I am heading to meet up with the cake dealer and another couple that I know from Instagram. NYC Food FOMO is his account. You've probably seen him on a couple of other ride and reviews with me, and food items that we've tried out throughout the years. We are going to Da Toscano. Da Toscano is a highly regarded Italian place. I haven't been there yet, but my buddy FOMO is a huge fan. He goes, you know, once every couple months it seems. He's there a lot. They have a bistecca fiorentina, which is a Tuscan style porterhouse steak, and when they have it on special, it's kind of a big deal, and he swears by it. He says it's great. He's been to Tuscany, he's had steak in Tuscany, and he says it's very close to the real thing. So I'm excited to try it. Very much looking forward to it. It says they also have really great pasta too. So it should be a good meal. It should be a good, big, hearty meal. So it's Saturday afternoon. There's a lot of clouds in the sky, but there's no rain in the forecast, so I'm taking a shot and riding today. Should be able to lock the bike up and keep an eye on it relatively easily in this area where I'm going. The place is in the West Village. It's basically just off of 6th Avenue near Minetta and Bleecker, right in that little area. So it should be a good sleepy little block to lock up on and, you know, safely park the bike for dinner. So I'm on Houston right now, just cruising across town, and shouldn't be too long of a ride. There's not too much traffic right now. I think a lot of people they probably think it's gonna rain, but it shouldn't rain. So I say get out and ride, right? Do it. So like I was saying, this place is right near, what are you doing? It's right near Minetta Tavern, which is a great spot for burgers and steaks. It's a very meat-forward restaurant, which is nice. I like it. And there's a lot of great spots nearby, actually. Some other great dive bars nearby. Down the Hatch, Slaughtered Lamb. Other spots to get good burgers. There's Corner Bistro. Jack and Charlie's is right nearby, which, you know, I've done a ride and review for there. I did that on like a triple burger crawl and then finished up with a big meal at Jack and Charlie's. That was great. So yeah, it's a cool spot. I'll probably have to do like a neighborhood tour at some point of the West Village, so you can see all my favorite spots and, you know, kind of give you a feel for the neighborhood. Chumley's, great spot. So it's a little bit chilly and breezy now today. Yesterday was 90 degrees, and today I feel like I need long sleeves or a jacket or something. I probably should have thrown on a long sleeve shirt or a jacket before I jumped on the bike. It's definitely a little chilly today. I don't know how it dropped like 30 degrees overnight. got a little bit of traffic here coming up on Broadway. Broadway and Houston Junction is always a little bit crazy. But we'll take a right on 6th and we won't be too far from the restaurant. Horrible place to stop and put your flashers on. That lady was holding up my progress. So here we go. Ripping across. I think this is like ride and review number 70 now. It's getting crazy. It's crazy how fast they came through. Like every time I go eat somewhere now, I just might as well make a ride and review out of it. It's pretty cool. It's fun. I hope you guys like it. Yeah, definitely got to do a little bar and food tour around here. There's a lot to see. A lot to talk about. I like riding on Houston. It's pretty good. It's a good ride. It's like nice and quick. Gets me across town faster than most. You know, 14th Street is pretty quick too, but Houston is nice for when you got to be downtown further. So I'm taking this right here. And it's not far at all from this point. Let's see. Yeah, because this is coming up on Bleecker. And then I got to veer off up Minetta, which is a cool little tiny side street. It actually used to be a stream or a river. Tiny little stream here. And it eventually got paved over. Really cool spot. I love this little part of the neighborhood. And so Da Toscano now is like right up here on the left. Minetta Lane. There it is. Da Toscano. All right. See you guys on the inside.
I always love it when they do the big square. Yeah.
Just the crab fat butter and the chili vinegar. It's really just it's not, you know, it's not filling, but it's a really nice pairing.
Pizza.
Just killing Jay softly.
Yeah. You do a great cheesecake though too. They have to do it now to stay on schedule.
Yeah.
With is that going in my plate? Oh, I got a fork in the way. Hold on. Yeah.
Quarter turn.
Oh man. There's always room for a 5th pasta.
That's insane.
Look at these beauties. This looks like escarole and beans, doesn't it?
It's Rob.
Look at that parm. I thought it was a little pizza.
It's not a little pizza. I thought it was bone in though.
I did too.
It smells.
Wow. All right, photo time.
We're gonna do this. Can I give you this? Let's make some room. Make room. Make room. So then finally the last day they could just registration thing. This woman doesn't respond. I was trying that before. That is gorgeous.
These are the perfect.
Olive oil apple cake. Look at that. It looks like a sandwich,
Done
right?
cut.
Wait,
That's
a
what
long time ago.
Foie gras peanut butter and jelly donut.
Was this
Oh. Ooh. Look at that goo coming out.
You got goo on it.
It's got goo. Oh my God! Look at the inside.
Ooh.
Wow.
You got goo.
Literally had every day. Like, how is that possible? It's like the littlest.
Wow, Da Toscano, what a meal. That steak was absolutely fantastic. I mean, just all the food. I mean, from the starters to the pastas, the steak, just incredible. I definitely got to get back there again. And in general, just run through that menu. There's so much to try. The steak had a great char on the outside, perfectly cooked, tender inside. Good flavor, good marbling. You get all those Tuscan flavors. You know, that rosemary, all the herbal flavors, really nice. Good age on it. So I'm happy. You got to jump out to the website, johnnyprimesteaks.com. Check out the full review, all my photos. This place is definitely a keeper. As always, make sure you like and subscribe. You gotta tell your friends, tell your family, and you gotta tell your fucking grandma.